So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex Share. So we know that there are few latest updates related to Subex. So what are those particular updates? I'll try to explain each and everything in detail. So we'll go to the BSE website, download the documents which are provided by this particular company, and we'll see what are the major things that we need to focus. And the same way, we'll go to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So when this particular update was released, I have posted that in Telegram group also. So after that, stock has also given some very good momentum. So currently it is trading near the 58 rupees level with almost 8% positive movement. So about HFCL also have done a separate dedicated video. So do watch it. I'll provide link of Telegram in comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so moving towards the update which was released by Subex. So you can see date also is provided June 22nd, and if you see, it is related to a partnership between two companies. So one is Subex and another one is Spire Solutions. So they are going to secure a leading oil and gas company in the Middle East. So the center of this particular project is going to be cyber attacks. So on this particular region only these two companies partnership is related. So they will be whatever secure the oil and the gas company in the Middle East. So this was the update which was released. So we'll try to discuss what are the key things that we need to focus, and after that we'll go to the charts. Okay, so if you see the updates that they have provided, if you see what are the major things that we need to focus. So as I told, the major area of concern would be related to cyber attacks. So they have also provided that in the last 4 months, the cyber attacks have increased by 67% in this particular year itself. And majorly all the companies which are related to healthcare and followed by safety mechanisms in industrial facilities. So they are facing the risk. So in order to fight that particular risk, these two companies will do the partnership. And we already know that Subex currently has world's biggest adaptive network spread across almost 70 cities. So that is one advantage. And in the same way, even CEO of Subex, Mr. Vinod Kumar, so he has also told that they're extremely delighted for this particular partnership, whatever it is happening and whatever the technologies they are having. So they are telling that they will use it to full extent in order to achieve the success rate. So this is one positive thing that we need to focus. So if everything goes well, and ultimately for Subex also it will be a turning point. So we know on regular basis some updates would be released on Subex earlier about Hypersense artificial intelligence platform. So all these things we used to discuss, right? So in the same way, stock momentum was also seen, but later at a certain stage it has also consolidated. But now currently it is present at very good regions. So what are those levels? We'll try to understand. Okay, so if you see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Subex, you can see on 21st June we have seen 34.3% deliveries, and you can see the stock has just shown slight positive movement of 0.6%. So earlier also it has showed some negativeness of 5%, earlier 1.4. So it has respected the level. So that is very important. So whatever the 55 rupees level we used to discuss earlier, so that particular region the stock has remained staggered, but again due to the updates which has been released, so it has crossed that particular zone. Okay, so deliveries wise, you can see on an average we are seeing 35 to 40% deliveries. So those are also pretty good deliveries, and steadily they are increasing, and the same way traded quantity is also reducing. Okay, so quickly let's go to charts and we'll try to find out what would be the next possible levels. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Subex. So when you see the 1 week chart clearly, you can see this was the pivot support that I was talking earlier as well. So you can see almost 3 times after approaching that particular region, the stock has retraced very well. So since it is respecting that particular level, you need to take that as the ultimate support, which is 53.90. So coming to what are the next resistances. So first major thing would be crossing the 60 rupees level. So once it crosses that 60 rupees level, then definitely afterwards we have the 65 rupees region as the important resistive region. So once it sustains that particular level, so then definitely we can expect some very good rally in the stock. So it is little time taking and it is a patience testing stock. So if you believe the whatever the updates that are being released, then definitely you can hold it, but my suggestion is hold in small quantities. So don't put bulk amounts, that is not at all advised since it is little volatile. So whenever it goes up, in the same way it also corrects, but in long term, or we can say a fixed period of time, definitely it may give some very good momentum. So going little bit down and seeing the money flow index, you can see that is near 79. So that is also very good region, not completely in overbought, and the same way still it may show some momentum. Okay, so now let's go to daily chart. Okay, so now when we see the daily chart or daily chart time frame, so there you can see the green color line, which is the 50-day exponential moving average. So already after approaching that particular region or zone, once it has come little bit down, but again buying was seen at that particular levels. So ultimately when buying was seen, it has closed above the 50-day exponential moving average, and again today also we have seen continuous 2 days buying, and now it, as usual, it is trying to go near the 60 rupees resistive region. So if it crosses that, definitely closing above it would be very important. So after that 65-70 levels are important. So near term you need to watch them, and the same way 54 you need to take the important support. Okay, so these are going to be near term levels, and 55 is the money flow index, so it is also in mid range. So okay, we have discussed all the updates related to partnership with Spire Solution, so related to cyber attacks which are increasing on a rapid pace. So on that particular note only, so this particular partnership has happened. So we have discussed supports and resistances, so do watch them and trade cautiously. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksJaryYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye.